Prevent user typing accidental space between rm and wildcard. Intention. Problem? The first case is a legitimate and common use of rm, a small typo can cause a lot of problems in the second case. Is there a simple way to smartly protect against an accidental trailing or leading wildcard?
A debug trap could be written to cancel commands that look suspicious. The following, or code similar to it, can be added to your /bash. Adjust the logic to taste. I don't actually expect this approach to be useful, too many ways to mess up a command destructively to find them testing one by one, but it provides a literal answer to the question.
There is no way to totally bulletproof a system. And adding "are you sure?" prompts to things is both counterproductive and leads to "of course I'm sure" knee-jerk reactions. A trick I picked up from a book in years past is to first do ls or blah, then do rmfr blah, if and only if the listing that ls turned up hit what I wanted hit. It's easy enough to do the ls command first, then delete that lsr, and replace with rmfr. The final question is, if the information was valuable to you, where's your backup?
Can you train yourself to use, say, rmrf in place of rmrf? If so, this bash function will provide you a chance to see what would actually happen before confirming the command. To make this function permanent, add this line to the ~/.bash file on each computer you use. Comparison with the common rm alias. It is common to define an alias. This has two limitations. If you come to depend on this alias, then you will in for a shock when you are on a machine or in an environment that does not have it. By contrast, trying to run rmrf on a machine without that function will return a harmless command not found. This alias is no help in your case because the F option that you supply on the command line overrides the I option in the alias.
If I am in a situation where deleting the wrong files is a really big deal, one of the things I've done is make a trashcan folder, like dear trashcan, and then I have a script on trashcan which has a rmrf trashcan / or rmrf or similar, written very carefully and checked several times. That way, if I make a mistake, the mistake is on a mv command, not a rm command. Once I do a ls and am confident of exactly what I am deleting, our trashcan actually does the dirty work safely. It was also tremendously convenient for a situation where I had to delete backups. I could env an entire month of backups into the trashcan, env the few I wanted to keep, 1st of month, 15th of month, back into the backups, then trashcan the rest. Doing a similar command is hard to do with rm on its own, and doing it this way let me ls the backups to be confident in what files I am leaving behind, rather than just enumerating the files I intend to delete.
If you want to work with me, der sehr grundsätzlich geschrieben.